Hello everyone. I'd like to thank the CUTLUXE brand for sending me their 3-piece chef knife set in return for my impressions. I'm going to slice, dice and chop all the ingredients I need for today's lunch and dinner. Let's give it a go with a bunch of veg and chicken. This CUTLUXE knife set includes an 8-inch chef knife, a 7-inch santoku knife and a 5-inch utility knife. A santoku knife is an all-purpose type of knife. Santoku means 3 virtues in Japanese, and in the case of a knife it means it's great for handling meat, fish and veggies. The difference between a chef knife and a santoku knife is that santoku knives are usually shorter, lighter, flatter and more precise, whereas a chef's knife is longer and heavier and has a more curved edge for doing rocking cuts. The 5-inch utility knife is great for everyday quick food prep. It's a little bigger than a paring knife but obviously smaller than a chef knife. Great for when you feel you need more precise control. Altogether the knives in this set have got you covered. These CUTLUXE knives were designed with quality in mind. They are ultra sharp, which makes slicing, chopping and trimming much easier, because when sharp we use less force and less force means better control. The knives are made with high carbon stainless steel blades which helps make for a sharper edge and also makes these knives rust and stain resistant. CUTLUXE indicates that these knives are full tang, which means the metal of the blade runs all the way through the handle, which means they are stronger, more balanced and durable. And lastly, the packerwood handles provide a nicer look and feel in your hand, and because this special type of wood is water resistant, they are more durable than untreated wood. Let's talk a little bit about what I'm preparing with my beautiful set of CUTLUXE knives. I'm a morning person, so I like to do as much of my meal prep tasks early on to simplify my efforts in pulling together a nice, yummy meal for lunch and dinner later on. Today I'm dicing up all the veg I need for a scrumptious chicken salad for lunch. I'm also doing a lot of rough cut chopping and dicing to make a pot of my delicious cream of potato veg soup as an accompaniment to my chicken salad. And for dinner I'm cubing and marinating some organic chicken breast and then dicing some sweet onions, colorful bell peppers and some nice dark green poblano peppers to make my famous low-fat kung po chicken. So we've got my diced onion, peppers, carrot, celery and pickles for my chicken salad. My potatoes, broccoli, onion, carrot and garlic for my delicious soup. And finally my marinated chicken cubes with my peppers and onions for my heavenly Asian dinner. The marinating chicken and diced veg will be wrapped and refrigerated, so my dinner prep is easy peasy for tonight's dinner. And now I'll whip up my potato veg soup and the chicken salad, since it is close to lunchtime. This CUTLUXE knife set has really provided me with the right tools for my day's food prep. Here we go, lunch is served. Tons of wonderful veg. And look at that delicious kung po chicken. CUTLUXE certainly helps us save money by preparing and eating our meals at home. This is a great set for all of you home chefs, and it would make a fabulous gift for friends and family who enjoy cooking. Thank you again CUTLUXE. Take care and ta-ta for now.